Wow.
ไอ้บอลหนูยัน noไอ้บอล no it's too close no
อย่าติง
Alright, you guys, tonight's the night. We're going to go out and look for snakes and other wildlife. I'm hesitant to even tell you guys what we're going to do because I honestly don't know what we're going to do. I'm told what we're supposedly doing, but a lot of times it's incorrect. I guess we're getting on boats and we're going to go down that river that you guys saw earlier when we drained the fish pond. So, you know, Apple's got a life jacket on, her brother's got a life jacket on. I'm a proficient swimmer, so I'm not really worried about it, but apparently we are getting on boats and doing that. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes and we'll see if I'm right. All right, let's do it. So Apple, what's going on? I'm with you.
so he wanted to sit in the middle and then you will sit in the front and this is kind of straight wood so you have to be careful. Sit in the middle, please. Step in the middle. Don't make any.
ลงไปที่คันนะบอกเล่า
That's it. Sit down now. You said.
ดูหันละนั่งงับผมมานั่งให้เราไปนั่งคันนะ
ไหนดูว่านับหัวคือเขา
What?
อย่าตีงเด้ออย่าตีงเด้อธรรมดาโอ้นี่ก็ไรไหน
Apple, how is it?
Scary. Look at the level of the water in the boat. It's the
ตัวใกล้ยัง
same.
ลายปันนี่มาตัวใกล้
ต่างเพียงไรครับไป
มันปันแห้งกันนั่นนี่ผืนคือเฮลี่ไปทัน
มันไปดึงหน้าไผ่เลยครูบาให้มันตกใส่ทั้งทีดิข้างหน้าดึง
ว่างมันได้จากกระติกกันอุ้ย
Oh, look at his underwear.
พี่แดนว่าทรงขาดเป้า
เห็นบ่น่ะ
เห็นปะนั่นละเข้าไปทันละลืมเรื่องอยู่บ่
ตัวใหญ่บ่
งูดำน้อย
งูยังห้าวโอ้ย
โอ้ยฟอก
โอ้ยจักเลยอันใช่ไปกันดินี่ลืมจะบ่หันเห็นอยู่บ่
คนอยากกลัว
เตาะมาเอาไหมเตาะมันลงมาเดี๋ยวมันลงมาแล้วค่ะดิ
ยังไม่มาโอ้โห
อ๋อมันมากันแนวนี้นี่ก็
มันบ่เป็นหยังอยู่อะ
เฮ้ย
นี่บ่ นั่นละเที่ยวไป
Get some light on it. So here we have a banded krait right along the bank. So you can see nocturnal snakes are really agile at night. They're really at home. I didn't realize that these kraits were so aquatic, but this animal is hunting along the side here and off it goes. Looks like it's going to be, oh, here it is. It's just evading us. Kind of has half its body straight down towards the bottom. But these snakes just can go berserk without any warning. Oh man! That was an open mouth that it swung around at the boat with.
รับไหม
บุเป็นยังก็มันไปเลยค่ะ
Wow.
I bought no yarn. No. I bought yarn. No, it's too close.
อย่า
No.
ติงอย่าติง
No.
no ที่มันบ่ no นั่นเฮ้ย
These snakes are actually really scary. Wow.
ลอยมามันก็บุก
Well, you guys, I tell you what, that gives me a newfound respect for banded kraits. Man, they really are quite defensive. And I always hear the Thai people talking about this is the snake that will chase down your light. If you can see, I'm still trying to keep an eye on that snake because the way that that thing turned and came at us with an open mouth, it actually came at the boat. Wow, that is really a trip. But anyway, it's pretty cool to see them hunting, doing their thing at night, just, you know, their natural behavior. But wow, newfound respect for banded kraits, that's for sure. And also learning a little bit that they are quite aquatic and super at home in the water. Very, very interesting. All right, you guys, and with that, I am going to say goodnight. Pretty interesting night, especially for me, for somebody that spends quite a lot of time out here. Really interesting observations, but we found the keelback that was kind of up in the tree. We saw Boiga cyanea, a green cat snake that was hunting up in the real high in the tree tops. We couldn't get it down. It was just kind of slowly cruising. It just kept getting further and further away from us. And then that banded krait, that was really something else, very interesting, a little bit freaky actually. You know, you're kind of helpless on that little boat, and that little boat, man, I tell you, if one or two people kind of get a little bit off balance, that thing's gonna flip. I don't want to lose my camera equipment. And yeah, so everything worked out good. That was a very interesting trip. I've been out here many times. I'm getting ready to move out here, and I've never done anything like that before, not here in this area. Never even thought about that would be an option. So anyway, that is it. The night is over. I'm gonna say goodnight, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you for watching.